Welcome to Learning Fun with Tales. Question 1. What is the first letter of the word apple? A. Question 2. What animal lives in the ocean and has 8 arms? Octopus. Question 3. Which one is not a color? Happy. Question 4. What do you wear to keep dry in the rain? Raincoat. Question 5. What day comes before Saturday? Friday. Question 6. What is used to tell the time? Clock. Question 7. What animal gives us wool? Sheep. Question 8. Where do fish live? Ocean. Question 9. Which one is a type of fruit? Banana. Question 10. What season is cold and may have snow? Winter. Question 11. What do you do with your hands when you clap? Hit together. Question 12. What is the color of grass? Green. Question 13. What do you use to cut paper? Scissors. Question 14. What is the name of our planet? Earth. Question 15. What shines in the sky at night? Moon. Question 16. Which one can fly? Bird. Question 17. Which number is bigger, 5 or 9? 9. Question 18. What do we drink with a straw? Juice. Question 19. What is used to clean your teeth? Toothbrush. Question 20. What comes out of a chicken? Egg. Question 21. What do you ride on 2 wheels? Bicycle. Question 22. Which one is a toy? Teddy bear. Question 23. What color are strawberries? Red. Question 24. What do we do with books? Read. Question 25. What helps you smell? Nose. Question 26. What do you use to open a door? Key. Question 27. What is the opposite of full? Empty. Question 28. What animal hops and has a pouch? Kangaroo. Question 29. What do you wear to see better? Glasses. Question 30. What flies and has colorful wings? Butterfly.